Hi, hello. I'm here with interesting thesis on molecular genetics of schizophrenia and related intermediate phenotypes in a founder population. So it seems to be increasingly more and more researchers are interested in molecular genetics of schizophrenia, and they believe that knowing more about it will really make researchers get closer to the to solving problems or predicting like treatment. So here we can check this abstraction part if there is. Yeah, schizophrenia is a severe mental disorder characterized by positive and negative symptoms such as psychosis and anhedonia, as well as cognitive deficits. It affects 1% of population worldwide with equal prevalence between the genders and different residential environments. That schizophrenia constitutes a significant burden for both the affected individuals and for the whole societies has encouraged its active research over the past decades. So let's skip this paragraph. Close relatives of schizophrenia patients have an elevated risk for both schizophrenia and so-called schizophrenia spectrum disorders. So with DSM-5, they keep changing the name of things, so it's hard to keep up with the updated information. This favors the use of family samples in genetic studies of schizophrenia. Furthermore, samples collected from isolated populations with increased genetic homogeneity may assist in identification of predisposing variants, and this study is based on the nationwide schizophrenia family sample of the National Institute for Health and Welfare. This wide series collected from the relatively isolated Finnish population with limited genetic variation represents one of the largest and most well-characterized familial series in the world. So they investigate the role of this protein and neuroglin and this AKT1 genes in the background of schizophrenia in Finland. Although these genes are associated with schizophrenia liability in several populations, any significant association with clinical diagnostic information of schizophrenia remained absent in our sample of schizophrenia families. Therefore, our study provides no support for any major role of these genes behind schizophrenia in the Finnish population. So I think it's hard to find such a huge role of genetics, and if they find them, it's a great study. In the second part of this study, we first replicated schizophrenia linkage on the long arm of chromosome 7 in 352 families. So then introgenic short tandem repeat allele of regional reelin genes supposed to play a role in the background of several neurodevelopmental disorders showed significant association with poorer cognitive functioning and more severe symptoms of schizophrenia. So that's interesting. So if you want to read all article, you can search this title, and hopefully you can reach the whole thesis. Thanks to the researchers who made it available for public. And have a beautiful day. Bye bye.